Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the AN1 application to your Android TV without any problem. If you find it beautiful, like, subscribe and share for more videos like this. So on your Android TV or Android TV box or Google TV, what you have to do is to go over to your download application. If you don't have to download on your Android TV, this is what you should do. Check the description of this video. There is a link I have added that is going to help you to get downloaded to your Android TV. So after getting downloaded, just go ahead and launch it, and this is how it's going to look like if you are using it for your very first time. So once you're here, please type in this code 65061. Type in the code at the code and go ahead and launch 65061. Once you launch the code, it is going to redirect you to a page where you get the application of the AN1. So just make sure your internet is stable. So this is the site of the application, an1.com, and just wait for it to redirect and you see what you will get from it. So as long as the code is correct and as long as you followed what I've showed you, this should work perfectly, and also your internet connection should be stable, please. So here's it, and you can install the application from here, or you can use the application. Now this app is mostly for Russians, but if you find it helpful for you, good and fine. This is how you go to it on your Android TV. If you found it video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.